Repeat offender. See what this one's like. Stay to right. Apparently, you catch these lads up. Oh, it's in through. And again. Oh, right. Pitch black, man. Feet's bouncing. Boost. Tight is Phil. Yeah. Right. Couple of drops. Here, I'll hang on a minute, I'll hang on. Whew. Just hanging on for Phil. Huh? I was just hanging on, give Phil a minute. Yes. Whoa. All right, Lev. Stay, hold up, Lev. Did you hit something?
No. It is no. Have a shake.
You hit a tree or out and all?
Yeah, I don't know what happened. It was that little drop here.
Yeah. Must
that
have
big drop, sorry, that big drop.
Might have took front wheel as you went over or something.
Yeah. I didn't.
It's nice to have some of that.
Weren't it?
Yeah. Let's just have a look at back while you.
Hang on! Man down!
Bars are twisted.
Oh, there?
Mm.
We're trying to keep up with Phil.
Could have been tree, but branch on grips are out. Gone down on this side, haven't you?
Yeah. I'm going to get out of the way so you can get round there.
You're just going to go down steady, what?
Yeah.
Lev's had a right fall. Took him off.